Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is BSL Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. So today we will cover all the important questions of this chapter which can be asked in your JAG board examination. So let's start with the very first question. The compounds which react with HBr in accordance with the Markovnikov's rule is option A CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene, cis but 2 in trans but 2 in, and option D CH3 hol 2 C double bond CH2. So the right answer for this question is D. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 2. A new carbon-carbon atom bond formation is possible in which reaction? Cannizzaro-Friedel-Crafts reaction, Clemmensen reaction, or Riemann-Tiemann reaction? So the correct answer is B. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Question number 3. CH3CH2Cl plus NaI in the presence of acetone, which is hot, gives CH3CH2I plus NaCl. The reaction is Urch reaction, Fittig reaction, Finkelstein reaction, and option D, none of these. So this reaction is your Finkelstein reaction. So C is your right answer. Question number 4. CH3Br plus 2Na plus CH3Br in the presence of dry ether gives CH3CH3 plus 2NaBr. The reaction is Urch reaction. This is very simple question. And Urch reaction is one of your important reaction of this chapter. So you should know the answer. Let's move on the next problem. CH3COOH plus SOCl2 gives product. So here you have to identify the product. That what is the product? Option A CH3COCl, option B CH3Cl, option C C2H5Cl plus and option D none of these. So the correct answer for this question is option A CH3COCl. Let's move on the next question. C2H5Cl on heating with alcoholic KOH will produce what? Option A C2H5OH, option B C2H4, option C C2H2, option D C2H6. So the correct answer is C2H5OH. That is your ethanol. Now next, write down the structural formula of primary alkyl halide. So RX, R stands for alkyl group and X is your halogen group. So this is your primary alkyl halide. Now next, which of the following compounds is optically active? Option A 1 butanol, option B 2 butanol, option C 1 propanol, and option D 2 propanol. So correct answer is 2 butanol. So first you should know that what is optically active compound. So optically active वो होते हैं जिनमें कोई भी plane of symmetry नहीं होता है. So by using this concept, we will find B as our correct answer. Now next, hybridization of carbon in haloalkanes is. haloalkanes में कार्बन की हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या होती है? तो उसमें सारे सिंगल बॉन्ड्स होंगे haloalkanes में. देयरफॉर जो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगी वो sp3 होगी. So A is your correct answer, sp3. Question number 10. The hybridization of carbon in haloarenes is. haloarenes में क्या होगी? haloarenes means double bond वाले. So double bonded carbon is sp2 hybridized. So correct answer is B. Ethyl bromide reacts with silver nitrate to form what? Nitroethane, ethyl nitrite, ethane, or none of these. So correct answer is nitroethane. Now next, a mixture of ethanol KBr with concentrated H2SO4 is distilled to give C2H5Br, C2H6, C3H6, and none of these. So correct answer is C2H5HBr, that is your ethyl bromide, और इसे हम ब्रोमो इथेन भी बोल सकते हैं. Now next, question number 13, chlorobenzene plus H2O steam at 700 Kelvin, it will give the product A. So A is what? Benzene, C2H6, C3H6 और none of these. So यहाँ जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा ये नन ऑफ दिस होगा, इनमें से कोई भी आंसर नहीं होगा. Now next, alkyl halide when reacts with aqueous KOH solution gives what? Alkane, alkene, alcohol, aldehyde, or none of these. So here correct answer is your alcohol, option C. Now next, the general formula of monohaloalkane is what? CnH2nX, CnH2n plus 1x, CnH2n 2x, and CnH2n minus 1x. So correct answer is B, CnH2n plus 1x. Now next, reaction of ethyl chloride with sodium leads to option A ethane, option B propane, option C N-butane, option D N-propanol, N-pentanol. Correct answer is N-butane. Which of the following undergoes nucleophilic substitution exclusively by SN mechanism? Ethyl chloride, propyl chloride, chlorobenzene, and benzyl chloride. So correct answer is D, that is benzyl chloride. Now next, question number 18. So here you can see benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of CuCl and HCl gives chlorobenzene plus N2. The reaction is what? This is very easy and very important reaction of this chapter, and we have already covered this in our previous video of naming reactions. So correct answer is option B, Sandmeyer's reaction. Question number 19. Benzene plus C2H5Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives ethyl benzene plus HCl. The reaction is known as Finkelstein-Friedel-Crafts reaction, Fittig reaction, and none of these. So here correct answer is none of these, because this is not any of these reactions. So let's move on the next question. Question number 20. Structural formula of 1-chlorobutane is CH3, CH2, 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 CH. First of all, see, this is 1-chlorobutane. So in butane there will be 4 carbons and 1 chlorine. So 4 कार्बन एंड 1 क्लोरीन होगा. एंड ऑल क्या होंगे? ये ब्यूटेन है, दैट मीन्स ये एल्केन वाला ग्रुप है. सो ये सारे सिंगल बॉन्ड होंगे एंड टर्मिनल पोजीशन पे एक क्लोरीन लगा हुआ होगा. सो हियर यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई दैट व्हाट इज 1-chlorobutane, which is 1-chlorobutane. So here you will find that A is your correct answer. You can see here 4 carbons are present and one of its terminal position there is a chlorine. So this is your correct answer. Now question number 21. Which of the following represents a gem dihalide?